Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the tranquil community of Childermas Lethe, St. James, is this stunning estate that spans nearly 2 acres of lush land, offering breathtaking mountain views with 11 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, including 7 fully completed. It's perfect for a private residence, short-term rental, or wellness retreat. A large swimming pool enhances the serene outdoor space, ideal for relaxation and entertaining. The expansive grounds offer endless possibilities for development, landscaping, or event hosting, making it a prime investment in Jamaica's vacation rental market. Located just minutes from the Lethe rafting experience and a short drive to Montego Bay. This estate provides seclusion with convenience, close to beaches, city amenities, and the international airport. Whether you seek a luxurious escape, an income generating property, or a wellness haven, this rare gem is for you. Call today to explore its potential. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 380,000, Jamaican 59.8 million, Canadian 543.9 thousand, Euro 349,000 or 295.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.